Khalil Ibrahim Sehan and Sila Turkoglu undeniable chemistry has captivated audience, leaving many to wonder if their bond extended beyond the screen. Fans have flooded social media with speculation about whatever the two are more than just co-star and friends. The natural interaction, both interviews and behind-the-scenes moments, have the flooded these rumors. Sporting are eager to see their on-screen romance translate into real life, often expressing their hopes and excitement online. Although there is no official confirmation from either actor, the buzz of around their connection continues to grow, keeping their admirers engaged and curious. Despite the widespread interest, both Halil and Sila have close to remain private about their personal lives, a decision that only adds to the integrate in their interviews. They atmosphere, their commitment to their work, and the strong professional bond they share. They avoid addressing personal rumors directly, focusing instead on the admiration they have toward each other as colleagues. This approach has earned them respect from fans who appreciate their dedication to maintaining boundaries between their personal and professional lives. While their decision to stay private might disappoint some curious fans, it has not stopped the love and admiration from their partnership. The duo undeniable connection on screen makes their character stories even more compelling, leaving viewers emotionally invested in their performances. Fans celebrate every interaction, from heartfelt scenes in their shows to candid moments during public appearances. As a testament to their unique bond, this dynamic continues to make them one of the most beloved person pair in Turkish television, drawing enough new fans with every project. Whatever or not the rumors about a real-life romance are true, Halil Ibrahim Sehan and Sila Turkoglu remains a source of inspiration for viewers. Their chemistry, professionalism, and mutual respect create an enchanting dynamic that audience adore. Fans criticize their on-screen magic and continue to root them both as individuals as a duo. Their connection is a testament to their talent and dedication, leaving an enduring impact of fans worldwide. The strong connection between Halil Ibrahim and Sila Turkoglu has become a phenomenon, drawing attention not only in Turkey but also among international fans. Their ability to portray intense emotions on screen has made their character unforgettable, sparking global admiration. The widespread appeal has led to fans pages, edits, online communities, dedication to celebrating their bond. These platforms keep the conversation alive, showcasing moments from their shows and public appearances that highlight their chemistry. The Duke charm continues to resonate with audience, creating a divided fan base that grows with every project they undertake. Fans are not only drawing their character but also their personalities, with which dedicate warmth and authenticity. Halil and Sila candid moments during interviews and behind the scenes footage reveal a playful yet respectful dynamic. This glimpses on their interaction of off-screen further fuel fans' curiosity and admiration. Many believe their genuine camera enhances their performances, making every scene they share feel natural and relatable. This unique dynamic has set them apart, making them one of the most talked about on-screen pairs in recent years. As their popularity continues to soar, Halil Ibrahim Sehan and Silla Turkoglu have also become influence figures in the entertainment industry.